Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable proximity chat in Minecraft Bedrock. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So from here you're going to have to go to this website, which I'm going to leave the link in the description. This is going to give you a step-by-step analysis on how to do it. So first of all, you're going to click on this link, which is going to send you to the Mumble page. This is going to be the main client that you'll download, so click download from Mumble. And then right here, just save it on your desktop. Once you have it downloaded, then make sure just to wait for it. And then just click on it and make sure that you install it right after. Click on right here. And then from here, just click on agree, install. Then click on I accept, install. And then click on finish. And now that you have it done, from here, you're going to just click on it. And then open it on your desktop. Then once you open it, it's going to show up this. Click on next. Then from here you can now just test your levels and you can hear yourself talking and it will check for you, so you can set it on the perfect level. Then from here it's going to show you the raw amplitude download, so just click next. Then from here quality settings, just make sure that it's in balance, so it's perfect. And from here submit anonymous and make sure to finish. Once you got there, certification authentication, make sure automatic is next. And then click on finish. And now you're done for here. Just click on yes. And then from here is going to show you the Mumble Connect server, so make sure to connect to the server that is closest to you, either in Frankfurt or United States or in any other country, and then just make sure to add it and then just connect. Once that is done, now you have this client right here. Keep it on the side because we're going to go back to the website, to the same one, and then from here we're going to scroll down until now we have the link for Discord, because we're going to download the Onyx Mumble client. So the link for it is right here. Then from here all you have to do is to click on the launcher download and then make sure to download Onyx launcher and then visit the website. Then from here just click on it and now it's going to be right here. Save it on your desktop. Now from here you're going to click on this page and then go to click on the settings icon. Now you can adjust all the levels, so you're going to go to audio output and now you're going to adjust the position for the audio, make sure that it's enabled. And so from here you're going to make the max distance to be whatever you want, so for example maybe 35 meters. Make sure minimum volume is always set to 0 and minimum distance, for example, 3 meters away from you in the game so that they can hear you. Then finally going to click on plugins. And then from here, you're going to search for the plugin that says link right here and you're going to click on enable. Then you're going to click on apply, then OK. Once that is done, you're going to then just launch the Onyx client. And then from here, when you click on it, it's going to now launch Minecraft. So now once you're in the game, just pause the game and then go and click on the client settings. Then from here, just click on the module settings, the button that's going to be in the middle. Then it's going to show you this page where you're going to look for the option that says proximity chat. And once you click on proximity chat, just make sure that it's set to enabled and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.